Don't pay for expensive PC software. These 8 websites offer free alternatives. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Flash Daily, your go-to source for tech tips, software tricks, and smart alternatives. Why spend big on premium computer programs when you can get high-quality replacements for no cost? Today, I'll show you 8 fantastic sites that offer powerful tools without the usual price tag. Let's jump right in. 1. LibreOffice, alternative to Microsoft Office. First up, we have LibreOffice, a completely free alternative to Microsoft Office. Whether you need to create documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, this tool has you covered. It works with Microsoft file formats, making the switch easy. Check it out at libreoffice.org. Second, GIMP, alternative to Photoshop. If you're into photo editing but don't want to spend on premium tools, try GIMP. It offers layers, effects, and advanced design features, perfect for creative work. Download it from gimp.org. 3. DaVinci Resolve, alternative to high-end video editing software. For video creators, DaVinci Resolve is a top-tier editing program that comes with advanced tools like color correction, visual effects, and professional-grade editing, all without a subscription. Get it at blackmagic.design.com/products/DaVinci Resolve. 4. Inkscape, alternative to Illustrator. Need a vector design tool? Inkscape is an excellent option for creating logos, graphics, and illustrations. It supports multiple file types and is great for both beginners and professionals. Download it at inkscape.org. 5. Audacity, alternative to audio editing software. If you work with audio files, Audacity is a feature-packed editing tool that allows you to record, modify, and enhance sound effortlessly. It's great for podcasts, voiceovers, and more. Check it out at audacityteam.org. 6th, OBS Studio, alternative to screen recording and streaming software. For those looking to capture their screen or share content live, OBS Studio is a free, high-quality solution. It's widely used by content creators and works smoothly for multiple platforms. Get it from obsproject.com. 7. Scribus, alternative to publishing software. If you need a tool for creating documents like brochures, magazines, or flyers, try Scribus. It's designed for professional layouts and is a fantastic alternative to subscription-based programs. Download it at scribus.net. 8. Canva, alternative to basic design tools. Last but not least, Canva is an amazing online design tool for those who want to make visual content quickly and easily. It offers tons of templates for social media posts, presentations, and more. Try it at canva.com. And that's a wrap. 8 awesome tools that let you get the job done without spending a dime. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, tap that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Thanks for watching Tech Flash Daily. See you in the next one.